Hi there, my name's Shirley Graham. I have a cave house in Andalusia in Spain. Thank you very much, Mark, much appreciated. We've got 3 direct bookings, which we probably would never have got through the exposure of that. We've got over 100 new likes on Facebook. The engagement they got was unbelievable, and thanks everybody, it was great. Thank you.
Hi, I just wanted to share a few of my own thoughts about the Boostly Academy. The Academy has lots of like-minded people, entrepreneurs, business people, and they're all here to help each other. It's a lovely little community, and I can't see any reason why, if it was your own business, you wouldn't join. It's been great fun for me. I suppose hospitality has big problems, and that's in marketing, it's in HR and everything else. But the Boostly Academy provides lots of small solutions that you can do piecemeal, one at a time, work through it in your own time, and it provides the answers.
We want to thank you and to Boostly team for the support you have given us in building our new website. It's already online and I love it. Therefore, it will also improve our small business.
Having followed all his steps, the interest in my Facebook page has soared. It's been extraordinary. We've had almost 300 new likes to the page, masses of comments, a huge reach globally.
I've learned loads about social media, about how to get a better reach. Probably had about 8,500 reach, about 300 comments, and I've also had, I think, at least 100 additional page likes.
I've been really grateful just to take things to a next level over this last 10-day challenge, and having the support, provocation and inspiration of a like-minded group of people at various stages of development, and just really give our whole marketing a boost.
I came across Mark Simpson. I was a little sceptical at first, but after about a week of watching what he was doing and seeing the results he was getting, it all started to make sense and click into place. I was a bit of an ostrich and didn't have a lot of confidence, and I kept backing away and putting my head in the sand. That is all now a thing of the past. I have learnt so much, becoming more technically confident, running competitions, taking direct bookings and dealing with my business myself and not allowing the OTAs to take charge.
I have been with other coaching companies in the past, which have cost me an absolute fortune. And yes, I did learn things. Then I came across Mark and his lovely hospitality community, and I thought, yeah, this is going to work for me. So I took the plunge. Even though I hadn't got any spare cash, I thought I'd give it a go. And within doing my first couple of emails with Mark, bookings started to come in. I like the way he works. He's very down to earth. You can call him anytime, and you get a proper answer off him. So if you haven't taken the plunge yet, do so now. Honestly, it's well worth it, and so cheap as well. Mark, you do a great job, and I'm really glad that I've joined.
Joining the Boostly Academy has meant I can stay in control of my business and not having to rely on OTAs.
Join the Academy.
Go on, you know you want to.
Heads on bed.